How to set up a Stripe account in Cameroon legitimately. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you've tried to open a Stripe account while living in Cameroon, you probably noticed it's not possible. Stripe currently operates in 48 countries like Australia, Spain, UAE and others, but unfortunately Cameroon is not on the list. If you visit the Stripe website and try to sign up, you'll see that Cameroon is missing from the list of business locations. Even if you try to continue by selecting a different country, you'll face challenges like needing an employer identification number (EIN), which isn't accessible here. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you a simple and legitimate way to set up a working Stripe account in Cameroon. Plus, I'll explain how you can get a real US bank account to receive payments globally. Grab a seat and let's get started. Step 1. Visit the setup platform. The first step is to use a platform that specializes in helping businesses like yours overcome these hurdles. Click the link in the video description to access the platform I'm showing on the screen right now. This website allows you to register a company in the US, UK or Canada, even if you're not physically there. The platform provides services like company registration, EIN, tax ID setup, a business address and phone number, a Stripe account and US bank account, all without leaving Cameroon. Step 2. Sign up and provide details. Once on the website, 1. Click Get Started. To begin. 2. Enter your name, email, phone number and password, then create an account. 3. Choose the country where you want to register your business. For this video, I'll be using the US as an example. Here's the key part. When choosing a US state, go with Colorado now because it's one of the most affordable options. Step 3. Complete payment. Next, you'll be asked to pay for the service. The fee depends on the country and state you choose, but the good news is that payment plans are available. Once you've made the payment, the team will handle everything for you, including registering your business, getting your EIN, essential for Stripe setup, opening a US bank account in your company's name, setting up your Stripe account so you can start accepting payments. I've included screenshots on the screen to guide you through the process. At GoNomad, they help local businesses expand their operations globally. With their platform, you can incorporate your business in the US, UK, Canada, Ireland, or UAE, wherever you prefer to set up your business. The best part? They can form your global company within 72 business hours, irrespective of your location. They have already incorporated over 30 Cameroonian companies. With GoNomad, you can trust that your business will be up and running in no time. Their team of experts is always ready to help and guide you through the entire process. If you're in Cameroon and are interested in registering your business, feel free to contact GoNomad directly through their business number +19295603026.